Good morning. We are just arriving at the Lz Invitational. We are walking over to go to the media meeting right now. Looking at some of Adam's cars that are just sitting out here in the front. But I'm real excited to get this day started. Let's go get into this meeting, get things going. Yo, look at this thing pulling up. Kind of cool walking around seeing like all the people I watch all the time, but like in person, checking out all their cars. Shit, we got TJ Hunt and Chelsea Nova over there in the pits. Where are we headed out to now?
I have no idea.
We're just gonna go.
We're gonna be standing there like this, Arlo.
We're just gonna be roaming around a bunch. I'm be sitting there like
basically shitting your pants.
Where we go? All right, we're about to head over to the track. They're about to start practice. I'm gonna try and get some videos while they're doing practice. I lost Tom, so I think I found him. So I'm gonna go head over by Tom. We're gonna head over to the track, and I'll start getting some clips over there. All right, so I'm out over here. I'm waiting for them to start up. There was one person who ran already to test it. This looks like it's gonna be a good spot to get some nice shots at. All right, we're moving back now. Not standing there anymore. I got you, bro. Yep, no problem. Wow, that was way too close. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to hear because it's pretty loud over here, but this is pretty fucking cool. I think they're still doing ride-alongs right now. The battle should start in a little while. They've been going at this for a while though. So I'm assuming it's gonna end soon. Oh, TJ Hunt's going right now. This is fucking awesome. I'm gonna take a break for a little while. They're still doing a couple more runs. I'm gonna just watch and enjoy for a few minutes. And then we'll get back into it when they start doing the battles.
Castro made a fucking hit.
This thing is so loud, but it's so cool. Definitely different than what we normally do. Definitely no street event, but definitely way better. I'm gonna be probably doing this a lot more often now.
So lucky he didn't ramp up.
Yeah, just fucking boom, like monster truck over the side.
That is full bully.
What the fuck?
That was bully right there.
Sean wants.
I think that was it, man.
What the fuck happened there?
And the whole crowd.
I love that Aaron was like, yeah,
Not impressed.
making bets on who's winning over here.
That's like
Yeah, no. I made a bet that Hurt won't hit low C for $20. He didn't hit him. He didn't hit him.
Oh, so you get the $20.
Oh wait, I'm not even because his car's on fire.
The car just is, it needs a little love. It just needs a little love. Yeah, I know. That's a great first shakedown for that car. Like, it's the first time it's ever ran.
Is it really? Mm-hmm. Oh, word.
Biggest laps it's ever done.
What happened?
Gas pedal broke and it's running kind of hot. So.
Oh, yeah, no.
Yeah.
Might as well not push it and break it.
Yeah, it's all good. I had fun. That's all that matters.
You normally drive what do you normally drive?
I have a bunch of different cars. I got problems.
Fair enough.
Yeah, but nice to meet you.
You just got this one though, right?
This is Adam's car.
Oh,
yeah. So it's just a rental.
Oh, word.
It's one of his rental cars.
No, that's dope.
It's fun. That's all that
Hell yeah.
matters. I'm stoked.
As long as you're having a good time.
I'm just glad I drove well. That's all.
Hell yes.
Oh, the belt came off. Oh, fuck.
Damn you, Toyota!
Fucking harmonic, bro.
The jump's fall.
The fucking crank pulley.
Yeah, the fucking whole outer ring came right off.
It happens all the fucking time.
All the fucking time.
Need a 3-hour time.
This is the final. We gotta have 5 minutes.
They borrow a car. They said no 5 minutes.
No, but it's the final, man.
For sale.
Take one of the rental cars.
Jeez.
That's true, rental car.
That's my trophy. I'll battle him in that. Damn it. Well timed, Toyota. Damn you, Toyota. I was like, my steering now.
I don't know what it's gonna be, but yeah, no, I don't think they're letting it end like that. So he just hopped up into Gingy's car. He's never driven it before. So this is for first and second. He's using a car that he's never driven before. This is about to be crazy.
tow a car to Texas. I've got an empty trailer.
Third place, none other than Matt the Ginge, walking away with a set of Ganadors. We also have a trophy, if I can locate the trophy. Is it around anywhere? Okay, I got a trophy for you, it's en route. In second place, we have Marco Garza! I wish I got to see you finish the run in your car. It's a big bummer. I've had it happen to me before. If you weren't front radiator, I was going to say pulled off my E36 and you probably could have gotten another one in time, but next time we'll do it. We'll handle it. Did you have fun? It was a blast. It was sick watching you guys drive. We got third place trophy. All right, look at that. That's pretty big trophy for third place. Yeah.
So I just want to shout out Nitto. I've been on the same tire all day, from practice to now, so thank you for helping us with tires.
Hell yeah, that means he's got more to jam with the boys later. Yeah, well, all right, so now I guess we should announce your grand prize winner, a C6 Corvette, to the man who first introduced me to Corvette drifting, none other than Aaron Losey. Yeah, that's traction control kicking in. I guess you have to like pull something. Maybe you'll figure that out for later.
JR got a note.
In the M3. Does it look like it looks like Kurt has